Hello students, welcome back to the biology class. So in today's class we are going to start the new topic, and that is the description regarding the various families which are included in your syllabus. So the characters are mentioned on one side, and these are the various families we are going to discuss. So the first family is the Fabaceae, second is Solanaceae, third is Liliaceae, Cruciferaceae, and the last one is on the next page, that is the Malvaceae family. So a small nutshell of the whole thing, a summary type of I have written here. So let's quickly go through it. The first characteristic is the general description. So when we talk about the family called Fabaceae, in normal manner we can say it's the family which to which pea or beans belong. So think of any plant which is beans type, any of the pulses which we consume, they all are from Fabaceae family. In the same manner, when we talk about the Solanaceae family, this family includes potato, brinjal, we can even say the Solanum nigrum, otherwise the family which includes tobacco. Then Liliaceae family includes the lilies. Remember, this is dicot, and this is the only monocot which comes in your syllabus of according to CBSE pattern. And the next one is Cruciferaceae family, which includes the mustard family, again a dicot. And the last one is Malvaceae family, which includes again dicots, which are mallows. So mallow plants are basically China rose or cotton. Their leaves are very peculiar, and they are called as the family of mallow plants. Now the next thing is the general description. So it also we need to also remember that Fabaceae is found all over the world. Solanaceae is basically distributed in the tropicals and the subtropical region. Lilies are found all over the world, tropical, subtropical, and the cold regions also. Cruciferaceae is restricted to the subtropical and the tropical region, and the Malvaceae is also found in the tropical region as well as the subtropical region. The next property is the habit. So when the character called as habit means the plant appearance. Is it a tree-like or shrub-like or herbs? So Fabaceae family includes trees, even shrubs, as well as herbs, as well as lianas. Now you have already covered liana in the previous notes before your summer break started, so just go through it. You'll find lianas are woody climbers. Solanaceae family includes similarly the lianas, trees, shrubs, as well as herbs. So you can find there are plants which are herbs like chili. Chili is a herbaceous plant belonging to Solanaceae family. When we talk about plants like tobacco, it is the Solanaceae family. Liliaceae includes the herbs, and these herbs are perennials in nature. Perennial means passing many years in the form of a dormant situation, dormant structure. We all know the dormant structure present in Liliaceae will be bulbs or rhizomes or otherwise corms. Now the next one is Cruciferaceae family. In this family the plants are herbs. These herbs can be either annual, like mustard grows for one season only, annual, or they may be perennial in nature. The next one is the Malvaceae family, which includes herbs, shrubs, as well as trees. Now the next one is the root. So the root of the Fabaceae family is taproot, and if you remember, these are nitrogen fixing plants, so they carry nodules, and in those nodules nitrogen fixing bacteria lives there. So symbiotic association. Solanaceae family also has taproot system because they all are dicot, that's why taproot system. Liliaceae is monocot, so adventitious root system. Cruciferaceae is again dicot, so it is taproot. Plus we all remember these types of storage root. Adventitious type of modification of taproot is storage roots. So turnip, radish, we remember all this. These are examples of storage swollen fleshy roots. Napiform, if you remember these examples we have done. And then Malvaceae family also have an extensive taproot system. Now the next character is the stem. The stem of the Fabaceae family would be erect, or if they are lianas, then they are going to be climber type. Solanaceae family would be erect again, but we all know potato is a plant in which tubers are there, so underground modifications are possible. In Liliaceae family you will find bulb, or corm or rhizome. These are the underground stems of Liliaceae family. So reduced stem is there. Then cruciferaceae plants will have herbaceous stem, or they may have fleshy stem. And remember that the Malvaceae family will have erect as well as highly branched type of shoot system. Now the leaves of the Fabaceae family are alternate, pinnate, compound leaves, or rarely they will be simple leaves also possible. And pulvinous, if you remember, we have done this already, that swollen leaf base which helps in sleep movement, pulvinous is present, stipule is present, and reticulate venation is there. In the case of Solanaceae family, alternate leaves are there, phyllotaxis, simple leaves would be there, ex-stipulate, so stipule is absent, and reticulate venation is there. Unicostate reticulate. Liliaceae family again will have alternate phyllotaxy, linear leaves of their shape, and then parallel venation would be there. Cruciferaceae family will have simple type of leaves, alternate will be their phyllotaxy, leaves could be sessile, stipule would be absent, and reticulate venation would be there. And when we talk about Malvaceae family, they will have simple leaves, may have lobed leaves like in the case of cotton, alternate phyllotaxy, stipules are present, and reticulate, unicostate, otherwise multicostate, reticulate venation would be there of divergent type, not convergent type. Then the next one is the inflorescence. So inflorescence of Fabaceae family is racemose, and in the case of Solanaceae family, flower can be single, axillary or terminal flowers, or they may be clustered into cymose, monocasial inflorescence. Then solitary flower or cymose flower in Liliaceae family. Cruciferaceae may have corymb or corymbose type of inflorescence, so these are racemose type. And Solanaceae may have solitary, that means axillary or terminal flower, or cymose type, or otherwise racemose type.